I found a legal way to deceive a broker. This is not a clickbait because in 1 hour of work, I managed to earn more than $100,000. I didn't use bots or GPT for my training. I just found a bunch of indicators that gives profitable signals in 8 of the cases. Here is a review from my student who also tested this strategy, and look how much he was able to earn from it. And even with a balance of $50, you can earn from $100 to $200 a day. I want to show how I set up these tools, what time I use it, how I look for signals, and what it looks like in real time. So watch this video to the end. Try to repeat all my steps and write what you think about it in the comments. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Now we are already on PocketOption, and accordingly, let's quickly set up. This is our Bollinger Bands indicator. Here are its settings, 5.1, and the style is like this. The second indicator called Aaron, the period 25, and also the style is blue-red. These are quite simple settings you can repeat. I found the specific data for better trading. We trade today on currency pairs. Our transaction time is 1 minute. Balance I allocated $100. So our first trade will be also $100. I will prove to you today that you can really earn $100, $200, $300 every day with such a small balance. And you can simply repeat them, thereby earning more than $1,000 daily. At the moment, I will open the description of the video for you, and there will be a link to my Telegram channel. Go to my channel, write me the code word +team, and accordingly then I will issue instructions and contact you on how you can receive the transaction data. And we will begin our trading. All links are in the description. And we will move to the first currency pair with which we will begin our trading session. Here we are with you. We have switched to the first currency pair. Let's open a trade here for an increase and proceed to the general analysis. At the moment, we can immediately see the formation of a red candle, but nevertheless, there are 2 seconds left until the end of the red candle, and this candle has formed a huge shadow in the lower position, which indicates that the chart will most likely move in the upper position. Then we look at the first indicator called Bollinger Bands. According to this indicator, we see that the upper moving average of this channel is still directed precisely to the upper position, which indicates that the trend is currently being maintained. Then we look at our second indicator called Aaron and see that there is a large gap. We were in advance. Here it's an uptrend. An upward trend has not been lost. Most likely there will be reversal. Let's watch this. Perfectly, this what is happening as expected, and our total profit was $192. In the meantime, we will increase the amount of our transaction to $192 and move on to the second currency pair where we will continue to test this strategy. Here we have already on the second currency pair. Let's open a bullish trade here and proceed to the general analysis. In the last period, there is a swing, but nevertheless, in this swing, we have not yet reached our just given upper limit. Most likely, we will continue to go in an upward trend. Then, if we look at the volume of candles, the volume of candles is also quite pleasant. So, our trend is confident. Then, we look at our first indicator called Bollinger Bands, and according to this indicator, we see what we are overcoming its upper boundaries, given in hindsight trend towards the overall upward trend of our chart. Then we look at the Aaron in red, and it's growing a little, but this is a small glitch. Nevertheless, our general trend is upward. This is exactly at the moment when our upward trend interrupted the downward one, and so far it currently prevails. Let's watch the chart. This deal is also closing in the plus, which is very nice. And let's move on to the third and last probably currency pair. Let's increase the transaction amount to around value of $200 and move on to the next currency pair. Here we have a switch to the third currency pair. Let's open a trade with you here for a fall and proceed to a general analysis of our chart. Here we see a real candle with 14 seconds left until the end of which a huge shadow is formed in the upper position. This corresponds to the fact that most likely we are a little promiscuous. Next on our chart we see our resistance area, which was here was the first time we reached it rollback, but nevertheless the general upward trend persisted. For the second time we reached it, there is already a certain reversal in progress, and it was precisely at this reversal that we opened a downside position. Then we look at our first indicator under the name Bollinger Bands. According to this indicator, we see that 2 of 3 moving ones are directed to the lower position, and the upper one is directed neutrally, but soon it will most likely also be directed in the lower position. To the second era indicator, we will also look. It shows that the brims are looking in the lower position, and the red ones are just the predominant ones, which means that this is a downward trend. So let's look at our chart. Is this so? Yeah, this deal also closes in plus, and there was 3 currency pairs today. All the transaction data you can copy in my Telegram channel, live and broadcast them. The balance at the end of the trading session was $552.64, which is quite a lot. And I also repeat, don't forget about the given $100 to get it. You must definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel right now, like this video, and write me something to my Telegram channel, the link to which is in the description of the video. And in the next video I will again select 5 random people and send them $100 again. Maybe next time it will be you. And now I'm finishing this video. I wish good luck to everyone. See you soon, guys, and also wish you big profits. Thank you all. Bye.